I'm here at a customer's house looking at their dryer vent, and we've come across some pictures of the dryer vent itself. So this is the full dryer vent, and it is disconnected up inside the attic, and the pipe is not connecting to the right type of pipe going through the roof. This is actually for a gas hot water heater or furnace. So we're going to fix that for them. And coming across at the roof line, this is designed for gas hot water heaters and furnaces as well. It is not designed for dryers because it can clog up super easy and won't allow the lint to get out properly. So it doesn't give good airflow, and it gets really clogged up down inside the pipe as well. So we're gonna go in and talk to them about all these pictures, show them to them, and let them decide on what they want to do to get this cleaned out and fixed properly. So let's see what we can do to help them out.